An American investor and writer, Howard Marks is the co-founder and co-chairman of Oaktree Capital Management LP, the largest investor in distressed securities worldwide. In 2020, Marks had a net worth of $2.1 billion, ranking him at number 391 on the Forbes 400 rankings of the wealthiest Americans. Mark focuses on risk management and also applies this investment strategy when it comes to his company. As a result, Oaktree Capital Management's portfolio is quite diversified. And in today's video, we're going to look at the 10 biggest positions in the company's portfolio as of January 2021, as found.com. At 2.32%, National MI Holdings makes up the 10th largest position in Howard Marks' Oaktree portfolio, which translates to around 4.8 million shares that he owns in the company. Headquartered in Emeryville, California, in the San Francisco Bay Area, this is a private mortgage insurance company that provides mortgage insurance services and outsourced loan review services to mortgage loan originators. National MI serves national and regional mortgage banks, money center banks, credit unions, community banks, builder-owned mortgage lenders, internet source lenders, and other non-bank lenders. According to their website, the company enables low down payment borrowers to realize home ownership while protecting lenders and investors against losses related to a borrower's default. The next biggest position in Oaktree's portfolio is Cemex, a Mexican multinational building materials company headquartered in San Pedro, near Monterrey, Mexico. The investor owns nearly 24 million shares in the company, but that still only makes up 3.12% of his entire portfolio. Cemex is a manufacturer and distributor of cement, ready-mix concrete, and aggregates in more than 50 countries and is the second largest building materials company worldwide, only after LafargeHolcim. According to their website, the company's aim is to create sustainable value by providing industry-leading products and solutions to satisfy the construction needs of our customers around the world. They also state that they strive to become the world's most efficient and innovative building materials company. However, considering both their scope and greenhouse gas emissions, Cemex has been one of the most climate-damaging public companies, according to the Climate Accountability Institute. They currently operate on 4 continents, with 66 cement plants, 2,000 ready-mix concrete facilities, 400 quarries, 260 distribution centers, and 80 marine terminals, spread across the Americas, the Caribbean, Europe, Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. With around 4.3 million shares, Montrose Environmental Group Incorporated makes up 3.4% of Mark's portfolio and is thus the 8th biggest position. Montrose Environmental Group operates as an environmental company and offers air quality and environmental laboratory services, including testing and lab services, leak detection and repair, soil and groundwater remediation, water treatment, biogas solutions, regulatory consulting, and planning and ecosystem consulting. Montrose Environmental Group is headquartered in Orange County, California, but serves the landfills, electric utilities, water treatment facilities, municipalities, and corporations worldwide by applying the latest technologies and practical ways to solve difficult environmental challenges, as they state on their website. Based in Sunnyvale, California, Inferna Corporation is a vertically integrated manufacturer of wavelength division multiplexing, WMD-based packet optical transmission equipment, and IP transport technologies for the telecommunications service provider market. The company provides network connectivity solutions for some of the world's most demanding networks and is a pioneer in design and manufacture of large-scale photonic integrated circuits. The company sells hardware and software networking options for Tier 1 carriers, internet content provider, cable, operator, government, and enterprise networks. Howard Marks Oaktree owns a whopping 25.1 million shares in Inferna, which translates to 4.87% of his portfolio. The Pacific Gas and Electric Company, short PG&E, is an American investor-owned utility, IOU, with a publicly traded stock that has its headquarters in the Pacific Gas and Electric Building in San Francisco, California. It is one of 6 regulated IOUs in California, alongside PacifiCorp, Southern California Edison, San Diego Gas and Electric, Bear Valley Electric, and Liberty Utilities. PG&E is the leading subsidiary of holding company PG&E Corporation and is overseen by the California Public Utilities Commission. As the name suggests, this company provides natural gas and electric and supplies most of the northern 2/3 of California, from Bakersfield in the north side of Santa Barbara County to the state line with Oregon and Nevada, which represents about 5.2 million households. Oaktree owns 22.5 million shares in PG&E, making this company the 6th biggest position in its portfolio that makes up 5.29% of its entirety. While the majority of the companies in the top 10 positions of Howard Marks' Oaktree portfolio and headquarters in the US, this next one is the only one headquartered in Asia, in Taiwan to be exact. Marks owns over 2.5 million shares in TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, Ltd., which makes up 6.51% of his portfolio. The company is primarily engaged in the manufacture, sale, and packaging test of integrated circuits and semiconductor products, the manufacture of masks, as well as the provision of computer-aided design services. The company's products are designed for PCs and peripheral products, information applications, wired and wireless communication systems, industrial equipment, consumer electronics such as digital video disc players, digital TVs, game consoles, and digital cameras. They are distributed in the United States, Asia, and Europe. In addition to the products mentioned, TSMC is also engaged in the development of 5-nanometer process technology, mask technology, complementary metal oxide semiconductor CMOS image sensor technology, 3-dimensional integrated circuit, and TSMC system on integrated chips, TSMC SoIC technology, among others. One of the two companies in Oaktree's portfolio that are headquartered in Europe is TORM plc, a shipping company that owns and operates product tankers and is engaged in the transportation of refined oil products worldwide. TORM was founded in 1889 in Copenhagen, Denmark, and today the company is a subsidiary of Njord Luxo and operates a fleet of approximately 80 vessels. These product tankers carry refined oil products such as gasoline, jet fuel, naphtha, and diesel oil. TORM is listed on NASDAQ Copenhagen and the NASDAQ in New York, and while it is headquartered in Copenhagen, the company also has offices in Houston, London, Manila, Cebu, New Delhi, Mumbai, and Singapore, employing approximately 3,100 seafarers and 300 land-based staff. TORM used to be the second biggest position in Howard Marks' portfolio, but slipped down to the 4th spot recently, making up 8.01% of his entire portfolio. The third biggest position in the investor's portfolio is another shipping company based in Europe. Star Bulk Carriers Corporation makes up 8.96% of Marks' portfolio and is the company that engages in the ocean transportation of dry bulk cargoes worldwide. The company was incorporated in 2006 and is based in Marosi, Greece, but vessels primarily transport minerals from the Americas and Australia to East Asia, particularly China, but also Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, Indonesia, and Malaysia. As mentioned, the company mainly transports minerals, but they also transport a range of major bulks, including iron ores, coal, and grains, as well as minor bulks such as bauxite, fertilizers, and steel products. Star Bulk Carrier Corporation has a fleet of 116 vessels that carry a total capacity of more than 12 million deadweight tonnage, consisting of Newcastlemax, Capesize, Post-Panamax, Kamsarmax, Panamax, Ultramax, and Supramax vessels. In addition to shipping services, the company also provides vessel management services. The second largest position in the portfolio is Ally Financial Inc., which makes up 11.54% of the entire portfolio. Ally is a bank holding company organized in Delaware and headquartered in Detroit, Michigan, which provides financial services including car finance, online banking via a direct bank, corporate lending, vehicle insurance, mortgage loans, and an electronic trading platform to trade financial assets. Ally is actually one of the largest car finance companies in the US, providing car financing and leasing for around 4.5 million customers and originating 1.4 million car loans annually. The company is also on the list of largest banks in the United States by assets and has 2 million depositors, while its electronic trading platform has approximately 350,000 funded accounts. The company was founded by General Motors in 1919 to provide financing to automotive customers, and until it rebranded itself in 2010, Ally was known as GMAC, which is an acronym for General Motors Acceptance Corporation. Currently making up 12.84% of Howard Marks' Oaktree portfolio, the biggest position is Vistra Corp., formerly known as Vistra Energy Corp. This is another holding company that was founded in 1882 and is based in Irving, Texas. Vistra Corp. Is an integrated retail electricity and power generation company, and through its subsidiaries, it is engaged in electricity market activities, including electricity generation, wholesale energy sales and purchases, commodity risk management, retail sales of electricity to end users, fuel production, and fuel logistics management activities. The company brings electricity and natural gas to approximately 4.6 million residential, commercial, and industrial customers across 20 states in the US. According to its website, VistaCore is the largest competitive power generator in the US with a capacity of approximately 39,000 megawatts powered by a diverse portfolio including natural gas, nuclear, solar, and battery energy storage facilities. As you can see, Howard Marks Oaktree Capital Management has a pretty diverse portfolio, with a lot of smaller positions in the top 10 positions making up less than 70% of his entire portfolio, as opposed to some of the other big investors such as Bill Gates or Carl Icahn, for example, who have around 95% of their fortune invested in just 10 companies. However, a good deal of Oaktree Capital Management's 69 positions is in utilities and financial sectors, and together with the investments in the technology, services, and industrial sectors, they make up around 85% of the entire portfolio.